Hi, I want to show you how to enable or disable 5G on Google Pixel 9a. For that, open up your settings and find Network section. Then tap on SIMs and you should see Mobile Data option. So, if you're using not only your physical SIM card but eSIM as well, then you will need to select on which SIM card you'll be using mobile data. To turn on, just toggle on the switch to move it to the right position and you'll be able to use your mobile data now, which is either 5G, 4G or 3G. To turn off, just toggle off the switch like that. Now you can also go in your quick settings by swiping 2 times down from the upper right corner. Tap on this little Wi-Fi icon and on the top you should see this option for mobile data. Again, to turn on, tap on the switch. To turn off, tap on it and confirm that you want to turn it off. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.